Let me show you how easy it is to get a quote. So you're going to go to AMECOsolar.com. At the top right, you'll see instant quote. From there, you'll be able to enter in your address and choose what type of project you would like to do. So you can select solar, hit next, and then verify that that is the correct property. Hit next, and then enter in your average monthly bill and select what provider of utility you have. From there, you'll be able to choose what type of panel option you would like, either the REC or Hyundai. From there, you'll be able to include a battery unit if you would like. Input your contact information, and with that, you will be able to see a cost summary of what your solar project would be and options for either a cash project or a financed project. And once you submit, that estimate will be sent to your email address, and from there you can directly schedule a time to review it with one of our solar reps.